Well, we are back with another box, and this time we have the Allure Beauty Box. So let's get into this box. Y'all know I love this box, so she ain't going nowhere. But let's see what we got. So we got the usual book, and there's gonna be coupons in here, and I have not seen any videos on this month's box, so this will be an absolute surprise to me. So let's see what we got. Stuff in here for sure. All right, first up, this pretty yellow box. It is from Tula Skincare. It is the Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel Broad Spectrum SPF 30. All right. I haven't used any of their skincare, but you can't go wrong with keeping sunscreen. So there's the packaging. And yes, I have common nails. Don't judge me. It hurts, I know. So this has probiotics and superfoods. I wonder if it doesn't smell like anything. If it has a safety seal, then I won't worry about it, but let's see. Oh, I guess I could show you guys the consistency. So there's that. And it's not a mineral sunscreen, so you're not gonna be walking around looking like you're auditioning for the Blue Band group. It smells good. It smells like, kind of has like a banana-y smell to it, but I mean, it smells like sunscreen for sure. All right, let's see how much this one cost. I know we got a full size because that looks full size. This one is $38 for 50 mils, and yep, it's full size, so $38. Okay. I don't wear a lot of sunscreen, and I know I should. I know. But that's okay. See, now I have some, and I can keep it in the car. So, yes. All right, up next, we have Laritzi Cosmetics. Never heard of them. It is a lip gloss in the shade Curve. Okay. All right. Let's see. Oh, this is pretty. This is a pretty little pinky mauve situation. Let's see, does it smell like anything? It has a sweet little scent to it. Let's see. So it's definitely a gloss. It's kind of sheer, so that's pretty. You could wear that alone or with something on top, or a liner or something like that. That's pretty. Sorry. Let's see how much this one cost. It costs $16. Okay. Doesn't feel sticky. And I like it smells good, so that's cool. All right, up next we got two brushes from La Rousse. Ooh, these look nice. Ooh, I like the handle. Look at that. It's like ribbed. This is an angle brush. It's nice and soft. And this one is a dual fiber brush. I really like these handles. These are nice. These are nice. Okay. I've never tried their brushes before, but I haven't heard any negative things about them. So these are really nice. And I'm pretty sure all girls hate, or anybody who wears makeup, I'm sure everybody hates washing their makeup brushes. I know I do, so it's nice when you get new ones. Let's see, these cost. So this duo is $48. Ooh, okay. All right. So the angle brush is for your cheeks. That's cool. Or highlighter. So yeah, there's that. $48 though. Okay. All right, up next we have the Belief Aqua Bomb Hyalucid Serum. I've never heard of this. And is this like a sample? What is this supposed to do? After cleansing and toning, drop 2 to 3 faces. Huh, let's see what this is supposed to do, because I don't know. I've never heard of that before. It is hyaluronic acid Okay. And it's supposed to... This hyaluronic acid has become known as a superstar ingredient for its hydrating powers, and there are 5 different types blended into this particular serum for maximum dewiness. Let's see, what is this, a full size or not? Because child, it's small. So there's that. So you can see it. Maybe? No? Maybe? Let's see. How much does a full size cost? $32 for 15 meals. And we got 5. So it's like a sample. Well, that's cool. I mean, you don't need but 2 to 3 drops. So this should work for a while. All right. Up next. Let's go with the big sparkly. Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. The bottle is really pretty. Don't pay attention to all that stuff going on. I'm filming in my office. What is this supposed to be? Inside this shiny bottle is liquid gold for those prone to frizz and flyaways. This smoothing styler forms an invisible shield on your hair, like a raincoat against humidity as soon as it's activated by the heat of your blow dryer. Oh, okay. Okay, so this could have been something I could use on wash day. So let's see, it's $28 for 6.7 ounces, and we got 1 ounce. So this is actually a pretty good sample. I'm not mad at it, and I can use it because I always have flyaways. It's not necessarily frizzy, but I definitely always have flyaways. So we'll try it. We'll see what we think about it. All right, and I got 2 more products in here, and I'll save that one for last. All right, so this is, oh, I have this product. The Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm Original. And I had bought this because I was looking for like an oil cleanser, because that Fenty, I know I said it before, but that Fenty mascara, that hella thick mascara, I think that's what it's called. But yeah, that stuff, I'll be washing my face literally for days trying to get all of that mascara off. And so somebody said, try a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil or something like that. So I went and I found this. So this is cool that I have a little traveling. I ain't going nowhere no time soon, but it's travel size and I could use it. So that's cool. But I like it. I liked it a lot. So yeah, so there's that. Last but not least, we have a fragrance, and this is the Love Anne Klein Rose Absolute. I don't know how well I'll be able to smell this because I put on this. This smells so good. This is not the packaging they use anymore, but this is like one of my favorite scents from Bath and Body Works. It smells so good. But I don't know how well I'm gonna smell this because, again, I have that on and that's pretty strong. And I am not a fan of rose scented things, so we gonna see if I can get it open. Right now it just smells like alcohol, so let's put it on. My sister loves rose stuff, so if she wants it, she'll probably take it. Actually, again, I don't know if it's a combination of the smells, but I definitely catch the rose, and it's not bad. Not bad. Okay, it has rose, bergamot, and vanilla. So maybe it's the bergamot and the vanilla kind of toning down the rose for me, because it's definitely not something I would gravitate to. Once I heard the rose or saw the rose, I'd have been like, oh, next, thanks. So yeah, there's that. But not bad. Not bad. I don't hate it, but I don't know if I'm actually giving it the true scent. So I'll have to try it again when I don't have that on my hands, and we'll see. We'll see if I really like it. So let's recap. We got the perfume. We got the hyaluronic acid little serum. The Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm. I didn't say the name. I'm sorry. We've got... We got the Tula sunscreen, the lip gloss, the humidity hairspray, and then we got 2 brushes. I'm telling y'all, this box, I love this box. I'm keeping this box. It will continue to be in rotation because you just get really good products. You get a variety of products, which I don't mind because you get well enough samples that you can try stuff. And then if I don't like it, y'all know what I do with it. And yeah, like I really, really, really enjoy this box. So she's a keeper. So did you guys get this box? Do you like it? Well, let's talk about it in the comments. And yeah, let me know. How long have you had this box? I guess that's a bigger question. How long have you had this box? And has it been consistent enough for you to keep it for, let's say, a year? Because I think this is like my 4th or 5th box, and I want to continue it, and I haven't been disappointed. So let me know what you guys think. How long have you had your box? But until next time, I'll see you guys later. Peace.